Introducing Tread, the first multi-tool that lets you be the one who gets it done, anywhere. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and a bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection-molded 17-4 stainless steel. There's an optional Swiss-made timepiece, water-resistant to 200 meters, with a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. And it all comes with a choice of 2 rugged finishes. Tread, the go-to, go-anywhere tool from Leatherman, the original American multi-tool.
Hey, it's Tracy. Leave a message.
Tracy, it's Frank. Listen, I was driving to meet you, and I hit these people on the road. I got out to help them, and they attacked me. It's like they weren't alive, and then they started to chase me. I just started running, and I was able to get inside that old mental hospital off of South Street. I'm hiding out here, and... Tracy.
Frank, it's me. I'm camping out for the night. I'm gonna get going again when the sun rises. Just wait there. I know I'm close. Okay, I'll be there. I love you.
Hi, my name is Glenn Klecker. This is my son Nathan.
Hi.
I've been an engineer and designer and inventor for about 14 years now, and I've designed a lot of knives and multi-tools that you might be familiar with. I came up with the idea for the clacks last year. Over the last 6 months, I've been designing, developing, prototyping, and testing out the clacks to end up with the 4 versions that we have here today. The clacks is more than an axe. The clacks is a multi-tool built into the head of an axe. It has a lot of useful features: carabiner, thumb jimping, this is the bottle opener, the axe blade, the scraper, lanyard hole, the hammer with a built-in ruler, 5 wrench sizes, and a hex bit driver. The clacks has a lot of useful features like wrenches, hammerhead, and scraper, along with our innovative new clamping system that allows you to take the axe to the field and be able to break it down for easy transport. The clacks is useful for people who are involved in hiking, climbing, camping, survival experts, people who do bushcraft, all sorts of things, including emergency preparedness.
I'm Mike Peel from Mike Peel Logging, Vernonia, Oregon, and I'm a logger. The clacks, it's a great tool. This morning I used it to wedge over a Douglas fir tree, and it did a good job.
This is the Clacks Lumberjack. It's our most popular model because it includes all of the features. This is the Clacks Woodsman. The Clacks Woodsman has the clamping system, carabiner, hammer, the axe blade, but the more rustic version that we've created is called the Clacks Feller. The Clacks Feller attaches using the paracord bracelet by pulling the paracord out and wrapping it around the handle like you would a tomahawk. This is the Tie Clacks. The Tie Clacks is a titanium version of the Clacks Lumberjack. It is our top-of-the-line model, and it includes all of the features, plus it has blue anodized highlights, and it comes weighing in at half of the weight of the Feller. That's why the Tie Clacks is our top-of-the-line model.
Hi, my name is Rick. I'm a former Special Forces operator and have many years of experience in multiple survival situations. In 2013, we brought our idea for concealed handcuff key to Indiegogo. We were able to use that campaign as a springboard to create a growing small business. Now we're coming to you to help bring our next major innovation in urban survival to life.
Introducing the Evade Clip. This ultra slim tool features a stainless steel mini saw, a carbide rod saw, and a 3-piece lockpicking set. The integrated clip in minimal size enables easy attachment and concealment on your clothing, in a pocket, or in a bag. After removal, you can flip out the mini saw to cut rope, cordage, and plastics, or the carbide saw for metals. And the 3-piece lockpick set includes 2 of the most versatile picks and a tensioner.
We're really excited about this product, and we need your help to bring this product into existence. Thanks for watching.
We decided to design a multi-tool that combines all of our favorite features into an ultra-low profile tool that we call the Titanium Pocket Tool. This new tool is made from aerospace grade 5 titanium alloy. Despite its minimal name and appearance, this new pocket tool is extremely versatile and lets us do more and carry less.